What's up, Soul Squad? Candy Carrots. Welcome back to my video. This is part 3, Sunday dinner. Part 3, Candy Carrots, how I do it here. Hope you guys enjoyed the braised ribs. Hope you enjoyed the mashed potato casserole. Combine this together. Make this your next Sunday dinner. Now, I have my carrots here. Right here, guys. I peeled them off, diced them up about 1 inch to 2 inches wide or whatever. I don't know. I just diced them. I got a stick of butter right here. Yes. My butter melting. I'm just going to go in with my carrots. That's ready. With my butter.
That's a whole stick work.
This is about, yeah, this is a whole stick of butter because I got a lot of carrots. This is about 6 or 7 carrots I got right here. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of unsalted butter. This is unsalted butter. I'm going to use a little bit of salt. Gotta get them carrots some flavor. And you know what? What I wanted to use to amp it up is sea salt. But a little bit of pepper. I'm moving so fast. And I'm going to turn it down low. Because I want them crunchy. I don't want them soft. They're going to taste nasty. Like 1/3 cup of water. That's it. Brown sugar is going to do its thing once they soften up. Take about maybe 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, put in here. Let them get caramelized. I'm going to let this get soft until fork tender, but not tender smushy, but tender crunchy. Yeah, to fork tender, not tender smushy, but tender crunchy. And that's just my water, butter, and salt right there in my lopsided pan. But it's going to work for me. Here we go. And right now, guys, there's nothing to do. Just let this sit and simmer. I'm going ahead and put my foil on top of here because I can't find my top. So if you got a top, put the top on of it. Put the top on it. Let it simmer. I'm going to say for this, because I got so many and I cut them kind of thick, I'm going to say about 10 minutes. And I'm going to let it simmer. I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Put the brown sugar on, and we be finished. Okay, so while we're back, so come here and Brandon with this. Remember, fork tender, but not smushy. Fork tender, but not smushy. Okay, those are ready. So I'm going in with my brown sugar. The butter and the water. I got a lot of carrots, so it's about well, I did about 5 or 6 carrots I chopped up. So I'm trying to go in with about oh my goodness. With 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, you guys. I know I always keep bringing y'all back and forth and everything, but this gotta do what it do. Now look at that. They're nice and still got a crisp to them. They're not over. So you're gonna let this just simmer for a few minutes. You're gonna get that carrot juice, the little juice sauce you made with the water and the butter. And remember, you can add some salt and pepper to this. And I'm gonna put my aluminum foil back on here for a good 5 minutes. That's it. And let it do what it do. Real quick, 5 minutes. Alright, we back, you guys. We're about to end this video. This took like a good, maybe good 15 minutes to make. Look at those candy yams. And the syrup. I said candy yams. Jesus.
That's why I started laughing.
That's why you laugh, Brandon. These candy carrots. They came out beautiful. And look at the syrup. You guys.
Syrup.
Yeah, the glaze.
Oh.
That glaze. You can make it with maple syrup if you don't have no brown sugar, but you have to have real maple syrup. I'm just putting them in the serving bowl for everybody to get all the juices. And the serving bowl is getting freaking hot. I'm just pouring it in there. I'm making a mess. Yes, I am. That's okay.
You heard me?
He said, yes, I am. That's okay. Okay, so guess what? These are my candy carrots. You could top it again. These are just flavors that make things taste great, you guys. If you don't have no fresh thyme, go ahead and take some of those leaves. Yes. Why are you laughing at me?
You be forever doing.
No, I'm not. I've been some time up on there. I'm trying to be fancy.
It's gonna take time for it to do that.
You know what? Really, why you been messing with me? Okay, you guys, there it is. Again, a little salt and pepper. You know what? I'm about to end this video because I'm tired of making fun of me, of my cooking skills. You can't cook. SoulfulT candy carrots. Like, share, and subscribe, you guys. Have fun with that. Braised ribs, mashed potato casserole, candy, carrots. It's a good dinner, Sunday night dinner. Okay, so like, this going on somebody's plate. Like,